Shout out to all watching my video recorder in YouTube. My name is Rolly Angeles de la Cruz, December 21, 1997. Uh, my drawing is the word of judging teacher. After I watching the video recorder, the curing of the doctor in the spirit guide, the Kaidgar, Maestro Lamorok Milam, and the other. The first calling, the giving the sicknesses from the people, creation, the word of the midwife, giving birth. The second, after giving birth, from the universe, creation, that is the word of the killing, and giving the peace of mind of the patient. That is my judging. All goods. That is the word of the doctor and the spirit guide and teacher. Don't forget to subscribe to continue my vlogging and the notification bells. This is my trial to my studying. I didn't want to curing the people because only I see only myself at the past in tuning the people, the same at the guitar instrument I use the word of different idea strategy for my own self, not from the book, only based on the family member. Every day and every night. My video recorder is no editing. That is on the spot. Video recording and no script. The idea is in my mind. Not from the other people. And no teaching to me what is my commented to the people.